Hello and welcome to How to Make a Prezi Presentation, a courseware on designing and making Zooming presentations with Prezi. We have finished our Prezi from the previous videos, and in this video we will try to preview it. To do that, just click Present. So we are set to full screen. We are shown this one as the first frame of our presentation. And then we can navigate the Prezi by using the buttons at the bottom. Previews, next. We also have volume controls and then autoplay. You could also use your keyboards like right for the next and then left key for the previews. Let's try to go over our Prezi presentation first. This is the first part, first frame, and then next. Every time I click the right button, let me just show you. Every time I click this one, the animation is made. And then next. And then next. Okay. That looks good. Next. Expect a sound of the Super Mario Brothers background music after this. Cool, right? Then when I click next, it's gone. And we're done with our Prezi presentation. Press escape button on your keyboard to exit a preview mode. And let's go over and save this one. And then exit. After clicking the exit, you are taken to your Prezi presentation view, wherein you can change the title by just clicking the title. Then let's say, and then what if you want to download your Prezi? So just click download over here. You can download it either by downloading it as an executable file just for presenting, or as a .pez file where you can edit it with the desktop Prezi application. And since you're not in Pro subscription, you'll be using this one. The files are packed in an archive, a zip file, which we will be downloading after a few seconds. And then you can access it and run the executable file from that archive. So it's now downloading. You just have to wait for it a bit. The size is 58 MB. It's a bit large because the actual Prezi engine is downloaded together with the images and the sounds that you have saved on your Prezi presentation. Alright, it's done downloading. Just open it. Then here's the folder which contains this one. So when you double click it, it will extract, and then here you go. It will open in a Prezi app, and in any moment now when it is loaded, you can start presenting. You can also set it full screen by clicking this button, full screen or not full screen. Okay. The first right button will be the home of your Prezi presentation. Okay, that's it. So same navigation, clicking the right to go to the next frame, or you can use your keyboard. Okay, close this one. There is also an option to present remotely. You are going to give this link to several participants, to a limit of 30 users, and then this link will expire in 10 minutes. I'll just copy this one and open it in another browser. I'm using Internet Explorer and paste. If you haven't started your presentation yet, this is what your audience will see. Please wait, the presentation hasn't started yet. So we try to make this one smaller. And then when I click here, start remote presentation, here you go. So this is me and this is the audience. So a limit of 30 audience. Every time I move here, Prezi presentation from the audience will follow too. This is a good thing if you are performing a webinar. It's cool, right? That's it. We are done making our Prezi presentation. On the next video, we will wrap things up. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.